How do I fix a rejected return on Jackson Hewitt? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If your tax return has been rejected on Jackson Hewitt, it is important to address and correct the issues to successfully e-file your return. Jackson Hewitt will provide you a reason or error message explaining why your return was rejected. Review this message carefully to understand the issue. Then you want to log into your Jackson Hewitt online account and navigate to the section where you can view and edit your tax return. Based on the rejection message, identify the specific error or errors in your return, correct any inaccuracies or incomplete information. Ensure that all the personal information, including social security numbers, names, and addresses, is accurate and matches the information on your official documents. If the rejection is related to a specific form, such as W-2 or 1099 form, ensure that the information matches the official documents you received. Double-check all the calculation and ensure that the math on your return is accurate. If the rejection is related to e-filing process, review and correct any issues related to electronic filing. Once you have addressed and corrected the errors, follow the prompts to resubmit your return for e-filing. After resubmitting, check for the confirmation or acceptance message. Ensure that your return has been successfully transmitted. Keep an eye on the status of your return. Jackson Hewitt may provide tools or resources to track the status of your e-filed return. If you face any difficulty during this process, contact the customer support of Jackson Hewitt. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below.